If you want your door to have sound, go onto your door and scroll down to the sound options. You've got move sound, stop sound, lock sound, unlocked sound, lock sentence. No wait, that's not a sound. So in move sound you have a drop down and you can choose from these. So I'm going to choose squeaky 1. And then stop sound, I'm going to choose chunk. Now when you play it, you have sound. If you want your door to open with a button, then that's quite easy. You just make a block where you want the button to be. Select the button, press Ctrl T, and in this put funk_button. You want to name your door something in the name section, and then in the button section, in the target, you want to select your door's name. Then under flags, you can choose each flag. This makes the button not move, so I suggest you tick this, otherwise it will move. This is toggle and stuff. You can also set sounds on buttons as well, under here. And then down here you can choose a sound. You'll see that if I walk into the door, it doesn't open, because I need to press the button for it to open.